I got something from the Coach Denim drop. Your girl, I got a few things that I didn't need, but anyway, I wanted to show you guys just in case. I got a few items here. Let's see what we got. Oh, this one is shoes. I ordered a pair of shoes. Let's see what this one is. This one is the Phoebe Signature Denim Ballet. So let's see what they look like. It's nighttime here. I don't know if you guys can tell, but this is what it looks like. It comes with this little hair tag here. Sometimes I can't wear Coach shoes because I got a narrow ankle. But these are cute. Look at these. Does this give you a hint of what bag I bought? Oh my god, but I already have a black bag. I'll leave the link below, but these are cute. We'll see how they fit. I'll try them on with like one of those slip socks. But yeah, they got CC at the bottom. They got like the slip resistant, if you can tell, with the CC. Oh, and they're flat. Usually your girl don't like to buy flats, but yeah, these are brand new. They don't look like they've been tried on or anything. So we'll see what those are like. Let's get into the other box. I think I have a couple more packages coming, but yeah, that's the first item. Oh, let's get into this. This came in the mailbox. How y'all doing? What y'all been up to? Did y'all buy anything? So cute. So cute. I got one for my sister for her birthday. Or I'm going to visit her in April. We're going to a concert. So I'd like to, for her hospitality and, spending her gas and, having me at her home and stuff like that. I like to always take a little gift out my collection. So I figured I would get her this. And I think the price was nice. I'm so excited about this. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, it's super cute. I did see this on somebody's channel. I was like, we're 20. Oh, it's nice. It has the denim leather. These are so nice in your purse, and I like them as a wristlet too. So yeah, super cute, right? She'll love it. And I already know I like these. I do have a video, I think, on one that I got from retail that I showed how I stuffed it and how much stuff it can hold. So yeah, this is so cute. I'm excited to have it. And I did carry my Coach denim backpack this week. So it's over there. I don't want to knock the camera over trying to get to it. So let's get into this box. The denim drop is so cute. It was kind of I think this may not be all of my packages as well. It's not. So anyway, I'll show you. I'll just add on to this. I'll make one video. And then this is another pair of shoes. Let's see. Whoa. I need those boxes because I have a whatnot. You guys got to come to my whatnot shop. I'm going to have some Coach accessories, but this video might come out after I post it, but I probably will just put these are the denim sneakers, red denim, and I got a 9.5. Usually I wear 9.5 in the sneakers, so let's see what they look like. These I thought was a good price for the denim. Oh, it's so cute. She's gonna love it. She don't watch my videos, so she won't see that I bought her that. But oh my goodness, these are these. These are some red. They're called canvas. They look like denim. Oh, cute. Oh, so cute. So this is the first of my packages. I have a couple more coming. These are super cute. They got Coach right here on the side. I had to get something out the red, even though I might get a red bag if they dropped down in price, but I didn't get a red bag, but I did get something so cute that I'm really excited to have. So yeah, these are the, what do they call these? They call these red denim sneakers. I thought they had their CDE35. So yeah, these are cute, and you can see how cute they look with the blue denim. So yeah, I'm really happy to. I almost ordered 2 of these for myself. Well, I ain't gave it to my sister yet, but yeah, because sometimes I like to have things in 2 just in case for some reason it gets lost or damaged, and I have a backup. But anyway, we'll get to part 2 in a second. I'm excited to see what else. Peace. Let's see what's in the box. Shoes. I got some shoes, some Coach shoes. These are the Phobie Signature Denim Platform, and the color is indigo. That's what those look like. Let me do it again. I might have been going too fast. Oh, super cute. Oh, look at these. Oh, super cute. They have Coach here. This is the bottom. This feels like it's like velvety. Oh, cute. I got a 9.5, a 9.5. That's my normal size I wear with Coach. Cute. They look cute in my little denim outfit. Cute. I can wear these. I think this is a cute little going out to dinner brunch. I might could do some light shopping in this. Some light shopping. Not the regular shopping, but some light shopping. I think these is cute. These cute for the summer. And they give your girl a little height, which your girl love. A little height. Denim on denim. Denim on denim. Yeah, excuse my ashy feet, but anyway, I just had to, you know, try these on, see what they look like. This is a 9.5. My toes they hugging it, but they ain't like hanging over like, you know, like fingers. But they yeah, and they narrow enough. Your girl feet is on the narrow side, so yes, cute. Cute, cute, cute. Let me know what y'all think. All right, let's see what else. Super cute. I'll have to try those on. And then this one is another shoe. This one is Arch Backless Signature Denim in Indigo. And this, I got a 10 because I'm really a 9.5, a true 9.5. So I'll have to try the 10. Usually, the 10s are usually too big for me with Coach. This is what the box looks like. It's got a little care tag. Oh, these are so cute. These are the denim. Oh, the denim is so, I don't think I even ordered a denim bag. I don't think I did. I just got the pouch. Look at the buckle. It says Coach here, and then this is what the bottom looks like. These kind of remind you of Birkenstocks. Oh, so cute. I love denim. Too cute. Nice. Right here. Excuse my crusty, my ashy feet. But right here, it rubs a little bit, but they're long enough. I wear 9.5, so they are slightly long, but they seem comfortable enough. I think I'll wear them barefoot. You can see on this foot, it's a little long, just a little bit, but fine, just enough for me to move around. All right, let's get into, these are so cute. They're comfortable. This is my first pair of them. I've tried them on before and they seem too long, but I think these are keepers. Cute. I'll have to try these on. I do have my denim backpack right here. I carried it for work this week. Let me just show you guys really quick. This Coach, I have my cherries hanging, and let's see how these look really cute with these, if you can see. Cute. I love this denim backpack. It's pretty roomy. I can fit my laptop and my iPad, I'm pretty sure, but I didn't carry any of that this week. All right, let's see what the other box has. All right, let's move this box off the way here. I'm gonna save that box because I may have something on my whatnot. Let me move my chair here. And then let's see what's in this box. This is my Levi's skirt, and this is my Wrangler denim. And then this belt I got from the boot bar. It's so cute. And I have on my boots. I'll step back to show you guys. Oh, let's see. Doo-doo-doo. I got the Laurel. Oh, nice. It's small. I thought it would be bigger. I guess I'm used to seeing the bigger one. But anyway, this is the Laurel. Signature denim Laurel and black. All right, let's open it. This is a close-up. Oh, it's got the silver. Oh, it's so cute. I wonder if my sis Dazzle Me 77 got this bag. I bet you she probably got this one. I bet you she did. Let's see what it's got crossbody and shoulder strap, I'm assuming. This looks like the crossbody. Let's see. Oh, I don't want to scratch it. This is a crossbody strap, I'm pretty sure. Let's see what it looks like. It's just black leather with the silver. Oh, it's cute. I like the black leather. And then this one is the shoulder strap in black leather. Okay. Oh, it looks cute. It looks cute with my denim. I would wear this with my denim, my blue denim, my blue and black denim. So cute. And then here's the bottom. It has leather. And it has a little hang tag here. So nice. Really nice. Let's see what's the inside. It's black. It's black on the inside. And then it has a snap pocket in the front. It's real strong. And then let me show you my shoes. I have them here. you guys see the shoes with the bag. So cute. Oh, the shoes look adorable. They're like ballet flats. They kind of have like the square toe. Usually I don't wear square toes, but I thought they would look so cute with the bag. So yeah, this is the bag. It doesn't really pass the elbow test, but that's okay. It's still stuffed, so it might slouch a little bit. So yeah, that's what your girl got. I did order a pencil case and the little denim pouch, which you may have already seen, but the pencil case hasn't arrived yet. So anyway, I'm gonna drop this video. Let me know what you guys think, and I appreciate you watching. Don't forget the thumbs up, and I'll see you cookies in the next one. Oh, it's so cute. Peace out. Oh, it's so cute. I'm really happy with it, with the shoes. Oh yeah, that's so cute. Bye.